Ready for a splash? Here are the top 10 waterfalls. 1. Angel Falls, Venezuela, the world's tallest waterfall. 2. Niagara Falls, USA/Canada, iconic and powerful. 3. Iguazu Falls, Argentina/Brazil, a breathtaking cascade of 275 falls. 4. Victoria Falls, Zambia/Zimbabwe, the largest curtain of water. 5. Plitvice Lakes Falls, Croatia, stunning in a lush national park. 6. Yosemite Falls, USA, one of North America's tallest. 7. Sutherland Falls, New Zealand, a dramatic three-tiered drop. 8. Kaieter Falls, Guyana, a massive single-drop waterfall. 9. Ban Giac, Detien Falls, Vietnam/China, the largest transnational waterfall. 10. Gullfoss, Iceland,